What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 so that even if you leave it somewhere or you lose it, you can always track it on your phone. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell while you're down there. And also if you want an epic phone case like this for your phone, check out the links down below in the description. And let's jump right into the video now. All right, so this is something that you want to do for security of your device. Okay, you want to make sure that you can always track it. So if you ever leave it somewhere, you'll be able to track it and know where it's at so that you can eventually find it. Or if someone steals it, you can also track it and find it that way as well. So a couple of steps that you have to take here in order for it to work properly. First thing you need to do is you need to set up a password on your Galaxy Watch. So scroll up, go to settings. Here in settings, you're going to scroll down to security and privacy. Okay, here in security and privacy, you're going to lock the device. So you're going to either select a pin, a pattern. I'm going to just select the pattern for the video. Do like this. Okay, so now we have a lock here. All right, so that's good because that's going to make it harder for anyone to get into your device if you ever leave it somewhere or if it's stolen. The next thing that you want to do on your watch is, all right, so you want to scroll down from the top of the screen, then scroll to the left once again. You're going to want to make sure that this location icon is enabled. All right, so always leave it enabled. That way you'll be able to track it on your phone. All right, so how you track your Apple Watch on your phone is you go into the Galaxy Wearables app. Okay, in the Galaxy Wearables app, you're gonna scroll down. Okay, here you're gonna go to Watch Settings. Here in Watch Settings, you're gonna scroll down to Accounts right here. And then here in Accounts, you're gonna select your account, your Samsung account. So here's mine. Okay, once you're in your Samsung account, you're gonna scroll down to where it says Find My Mobile. Select it. Okay, and you're gonna wanna enable Send Last Location. So turn it on. Location services has to be turned on, so let's turn it on. Okay, also you want to make sure that you have allow this phone to be found enabled and offline finding enabled as well. Okay, once you have that, go back. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to select this link right here, which is the SmartThings Find. Okay, it's going to take a little couple of seconds to load up. So once you're in here, it's most likely going to show you the location of your phone first. So you're going to select the three lines up here. And then here it's going to give you a list of your Samsung devices. So we're going to select the watch, so Sergio's Watch 7, and it's going to check for the location of the watch, as you can see here. So give it a couple seconds for it to load it up. And as you can see, the watch shows up at your location. So in the event that you leave your watch somewhere or someone steals it, you can still log into the app and track it. So very, very useful. And another cool thing while we're here that you could do is you can select lost mode. Okay, so here it's letting you know that your watch is unlocked, and you could just turn this on right here to lock the screen, and it will show emergency contact information if you set up lost mode. And another cool feature about this, that even if someone finds your Galaxy Watch 7 and they factory reset it back to factory condition, you'll still be able to search for it here on the Samsung's Find, and it will report the last location and time that it was spotted. So very useful if you always want to keep track and never lose your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 so you can track it directly from your phone. Go ahead and destroy that like button if the video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.